out. Steps back. They just pooed it up last time, so it's all just popped up. Out. So we'll cut that off, put a new panel on, do it properly. It's probably just as easy. So we're going to clean this rust up a bit better, and then we're going to weld these rust holes to the door skin we're about to put on. I'm hoping it won't warp too much through here because of the crease. Last time they just bogged it up. We'll have to weld this from the other side, but if we weld these into the door skin we're about to make, that'll take care of that, and then we'll treat all in there, and that should be minter. And then we'll have to attack this door step a bit. We might have to paint up to this line, I think, because that's starting to peel off. New bottom to the door. In here, down this column, and this footwell to fix up the back of the door. New skin on there. There's a couple of holes here to sort out. We've done that back one. Right, we'll take this piece, rust it out because of the thickening brace in the door. I'll wang that in there, patched in this bit. This is not happy under here. I think the back of it's redeemable, maybe, but the front is toast. The front is toast. It's just hanging in. So I'll get rid of that and make a new step. Big holes. Made up a little flange under the step. Weld that in, and that'll be nearly that side finished. Right, we've put a new step on there, but that's rusted at the bottom of the pillar. So we're going to cut that out, spray something in the pillar, and then weld a patch on the outside of it. And then there's that little patch up there to do, and that's pretty much this side done. We're not fucking around, we're doing a proper job. Another big hole. Right, patch that bit. We'll put a bit in here. Fill that up. Got that bit in, that bit in. Take these two holes up the top, and that's the pillar done pretty much, I think. And then a bit under here. Getting ready for a bit of paint. Nearly master up. Get some epoxy on it. We're nearly there. Right, we've chucked a bit of high build on there, thick and prime. Hopefully we can give that a bit of a sand off and chuck the top coat on it. And then it's the little trucks out of here. Probably going to regret not washing that roof. Never mind, we'll see how she comes out. Right, got some paint on it, nearly finished. Roof's looking a little better. Here we go, truck's finished. Painted the doors. Did all the bottom of the doors. Steps back in. Just gotta give the front a bit of a polish. Took the stone chips out. She's pretty minted now, low K truck. It's done about 100,000. We put a bit of a stone guard under the guards. I think the truck will be for sale. Probably the best truck you can buy for under 10,000. 100,000 Ks on it, new COF, no rust in it. Good tipper deck, be a real good firewood truck. If anyone's interested in a Isuzu truck under 10 grand, give me a message and I'll hook you up with the owner.